Welcome to the best picks. The best Workmate is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable workbenches for DIY enthusiasts, woodworking professionals, and anyone tackling home improvement projects. Its robust design, coupled with clever features like adjustable height and clamping mechanisms, makes it a game changer for various tasks, from intricate woodworking to heavy-duty repairs, promising efficiency and precision in every project. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER WM125 Workmate. This portable workbench is your new best friend for all your DIY projects. It's sturdy, compact, and ready to tackle any job. It boasts a durable steel frame, ensuring stability and longevity. You can trust it to support your heaviest projects. With a 350-pound capacity, it can handle even your most demanding tasks. It's built to last and built to support your needs. The wooden vice jaws provide a secure grip on your materials, preventing slippage and ensuring precision. They're also resistant to warping. Its adjustable swivel pegs and angled jaws easily clamp irregular shapes. It adapts to your needs, making any project easier. This compact and lightweight design folds flat for easy storage, saving you valuable space. It's perfect for small workshops or garages. The slip-resistant feet provide stability and prevent sliding, even on uneven surfaces. Work with confidence, knowing it will stay put. It features parallel clamping up to 4 to 5/8 inches, providing a secure hold for various materials. It's designed for efficiency and precision. What we like. It boasts a robust steel frame and can hold up to 350 pounds. Its compact design makes storage a breeze. If you need a sturdy yet space-saving workbench for various tasks, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. First, and I am one of those people, I arranged all the parts and hardware exactly as shown in the video, and was pleased that nothing was missing. Once assembled, it seems very sturdy, and I used to have one of the original 1970s versions, not quite as solid as the original, but good enough for my home projects. This BLACK+DECKER Workmate portable workbench replaces a clone model that's sold by a large hardware chain. The real Workmate is far superior, in my opinion. It's sturdier, the table surface is more robust, and it feels less brittle than the clone. Number 4. Worx Pegasus Work Table and Sawhorse. This innovative 2-in-1 design easily transforms from a workbench to a sawhorse, perfect for any project. It's lightweight yet incredibly strong, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. It sets up in seconds and folds down compactly for easy storage and transport. Take it anywhere you need a sturdy work surface. It boasts a 300 pounds capacity as a workbench and an impressive 1,000 pounds capacity as a sawhorse. It handles even the toughest jobs with ease. Need more space? Easily connect additional work support tables for a larger work area. They're all the same height and use the same connectors. With its generous 31 by 25 inch surface and 32-inch height, it provides ample space for various tasks, from woodworking to painting and repairs. Made from durable ABS plastic and steel, it's built to last. Yet, it weighs only 30 pounds for easy portability. It includes 2 quick clamps with 301 pounds of clamping force and 4 clamp dogs to securely hold your materials. No more struggling to keep your project in place. What we like. This versatile workbench transforms from a workbench to a sawhorse, supporting up to 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse. Setup is quick and easy, and it folds compactly for storage. If you need a highly versatile and robust solution for various projects, this is the one for you. What people say. It allows me to use it as a tool table when doing various jobs, a nice and stable work surface with the ability to secure the item when working on various items. When I need to take the tables out to work on a project, they're lightweight enough that it's no trouble to carry them out of storage, and setting them up couldn't be easier. Once assembled, they're incredibly sturdy, support far more weight than they look like they should, and come with a variety of recessed parts holders and some built-in clamps that make any job just that little bit easier. It's lightweight but sturdy. The clamps were a plus and work well for what I need. Number 3. Keter Folding Work Table. It's ready to use in 30 seconds, no assembly needed. This lightweight table is perfect for DIY projects, home improvements, or on the job site. With a large surface supporting up to 1,000 pounds and 12 clamps, it handles heavy-duty tasks with ease. Keep your materials secure for any job. Ideal for various tasks, from miter saws to woodworking. It folds away easily for seamless storage and transport. Made from weather-resistant polypropylene and heavy-duty resin with aluminum legs, it won't rust, peel, or dent. It's reliable in any environment. For over 75 years, Keter has been creating innovative solutions for life, in and around the home. We design products to make your everyday life better. What we like. With a massive 1,000-pound weight capacity in 12-inch clamps, it's built to handle heavy-duty jobs. Plus, it's weather-resistant, so you can use it indoors or outdoors. If you need a heavy-duty and durable workbench for outdoor or tough indoor projects, this is a great option. What people say. It's sturdy and easy to set up, making it ideal for various projects. The built-in clamps are a fantastic feature, holding materials securely in place while I work. I appreciate the portability. It folds up easily and is lightweight, so I can move it around my workshop or take it to different job sites without any hassle. They're hefty, can hold 1,000 pounds, but not heavy. The folding contraption is genius. Super easy to operate. Sets up in seconds, collapses just as easily. There isn't 1 inch of wasted space. The clamps it comes with are good quality and add a lot of value to the table. Having the storage shelf below the work surface is great for putting down tools where they're out of the way, but easily accessible. Very sturdy, comes with clamps which are handy, fast delivery, easy to set up, lightweight. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER WM425, a Workmate. This is the iconic Workmate folding workbench, perfect for any project. It's portable, sturdy, and ready to tackle your next task. It boasts a heavy-gauge steel frame and a laminated bamboo worktop. This combination provides incredible stability, supporting up to 550 pounds. With adjustable jaws and vertical clamping, it can handle various materials and shapes. For swivel pegs provide extra support for irregular objects. Setting it up or storing it away is a breeze. It folds open and closed in seconds, making it incredibly convenient. The large work surface is perfect for any project. An extra block easily converts it into a vise for even more versatility. From woodworking and DIY to automotive repairs, it's the ideal solution for all your projects. Its portability makes it perfect for any location. What we like. This workbench offers superior strength with a 550-pound capacity and a durable laminated bamboo worktop. The adjustable jaws provide versatility for various clamping needs. If you're seeking a strong and adaptable workbench for woodworking or other precision tasks, this is a great option. What people say. Very sturdy and versatile. I love the clamping function and the removal top sections. It is a great area to assemble small projects and also wood very well that needs to be cut. It is also light but super sturdy, so I can move it around the garage for larger work. It is by far the strongest of them all and won't move around like the plastic-based workbenches. Its wood-based table works well with my work material, especially wood. It folds well and is heavy, but you need to expect that since it is constructed with the most steel. Number 1. BLACK+DECKER WM225 Workbench. This portable workbench is a game-changer for DIY enthusiasts. It's perfect for a variety of tasks, from cutting and sawing to painting and more. It's more than just a workbench, it's a vise, sawhorse, and tool stand all in one. This versatile design makes it ideal for any project. Built with a heavy-gauge steel frame, it supports up to 450 pounds. You can trust it to handle even your most demanding projects. Its dual height, adjustable legs fold underneath for larger projects. You can easily customize it to fit your needs. The adjustable rear jaws and 4 swivel pegs provide a unique gripping range, allowing you to clamp even irregularly shaped objects securely. It's lightweight and folds up in seconds for easy storage. Take it with you wherever you go, or hang it up with your other tools. When open, it measures 25.6 x 28.75 x 30.5. It includes the project center and 4 swivel pegs. What we like. It's a multifunctional tool, serving as a vise, sawhorse, and workbench. It has adjustable legs for different project heights and a 450-pound capacity. If you need a versatile and adaptable workbench for multiple uses and various project sizes, this is a good choice. What people say. Folds away great and is very easy to store. Setup is easy and serves all purposes for my jobs. Holds work pieces securely and takes up little space when folded away. The clamps are a definite plus so things don't slip away. It is strong and stable and versatile. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.